Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to go and change language on Trainline. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Trainline application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you do not have a profile, you can always go and register to Trainline. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the search where you can go and search for live times and tickets for your next destination. Then in my tickets, you can go and find your tickets, where you also have an example ticket here, as you can see. In the bottom right corner, we have the account where you have all the information about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language on this application. So as you can see, when you go to the bottom right corner and click on account where you can see everything and see the app settings, you can see that you can go and change the app icon, the currency on the application, and your privacy choices. As you can see, there is no language option. What you can do on some phones, you can go and click on the application in your phone and try changing the language of your whole device to change the language of the application. Another way, there is no option to change the application. You can also only try to go and change it on the actual website, but on the application it is not possible at the moment. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys!